have a small Michaels haul for you guys. Some of these items I got last week, some I got 3 weeks ago. I'm a little behind on my my videos. So anyway, I believe I got this 3 weeks ago when the Hot Buys were on sale for $5. And these are regularly, I want to say $19. I mean, they're pretty expensive when the regular price. Something like that. But anyway, they were $5 and I had to get them because these go with that Paris themed paper from Michaels. And as you can see, you also get a bunch, you guys. So yeah, they're really cute. So I did get them and they're pretty sturdy tags. And my Michaels finally got them 3 weeks ago because previous to that I never saw them. And then I decided, since they were only $5 too, I got the cards and envelopes, and there's 60 sets in there, so you can't beat that. And it comes with envelopes, and so why not? So I did pick those up. Last week I did meet up with Sophia. We were actually just gonna have coffee, but decided to go on a crafty diet, what I call a crafty diet. And you know, we totally forgot about coffee. I mean, you know, we went to Hobby Lobby to check out some of the clearance items, and then ended up at Michaels. And anyway, at Michaels, this is what we got. And she found these and showed me where they were, and they were only $1.49 clearance, you guys, and they're usually $4.99. So I've already used them. You guys saw my last tags that I shared with you guys, and so I used quite a bit of them, especially the red and the pink. So, but you do get quite a bit. You get, let me see if it tells you how many. Oh, you get 2 yards each of these. Let me see about this one. Yep, 2 yards each. So they were $1.49 each, and I got these 4 colors. And they had other ones, but I only got those 4. This was a few weeks ago too, when Michaels came out with when the Valentine stuff first came on sale. And I grabbed this one because I knew this one was going to go fast. And I don't know, I just really love the cute jar. And the little emoji faces, so as you can see there. And these are pretty cheap. I mean, they're $5 regular price, so I believe I had gotten them for, I don't know, $2.50 or $3. I can't even remember, but it was still worth it because I thought they were really cute. So I have yet to use them, but you know. And then this one I got last week too. Kind of messed up, and I was trying to fix the bubble that was here, but anyway, I think I screwed it up even more. But anyway, these are $2 and they were on sale last week, and I got them for $1. So I did pick that up, and that's the Valentine stuff. It was strange because I went to 2 different Michaels, I think, last week. And one Michaels had their Valentine stuff 50% off, like early that week, and then, but the other Michaels that's closer to me, they were only 40% off. So go figure, you guys. I don't know. I thought most of the Michaels were pretty much the same as far as their sales, but seriously, that was the case. So that was kind of strange. But anyway, I did pick this one up because they were 50% off at the Michaels that I went to. So I did pick this up. And they're really cute, and I believe I saw Erica share this one. I only picked up the 6x6 because really I didn't want to pay $10 for another paper pad, which, you know, I have so much Valentine paper. I really should not be buying any more, but since these came out to only about $3, I decided to get them. So really cute. This is the Galentine's one. This one I I actually went back for some lollipop sticks that I had found at Michael's, and they were striped and different colors. And that's the one I was looking for, but they don't have them anymore. Apparently, I should have just got them. And these weren't on sale, and I think I paid $2.99 for this. I'm not sure. I think it was something like that, $2.99. But anyway, I love them too, though. They're cute little hearts, and I didn't see these initially. So I thought these would be cute for like rosette pops, you know. This one I had to get because it was on clearance, and this has been around for a while. I've seen a lot of people use this, but it was clearance at my Michael's for $6.99. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, because sometimes you see these clearanced out and they're like $11, you know. So or you know, even like $8. So $6.99, I thought that was pretty good. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and I've already played with it, and I showed you guys. So had to get those. I also got this Sizzix die by Jen Long, and this one is called Unicorn. There is the number if you want. And I love the sentiment, chase rainbows with me. And it was a little pricier than what I wanted to pay for it, but you know, I did use 40% or 50% coupon. I think I ended up maybe using a 50% coupon on them. Anyway, I forgot. I don't know, but yeah, I think it is. But it came out to seven something. So $7.49, I think it was, $7.50. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm kind of iffy on it. I love the chubby unicorn. The face of this one is kind of squarish, so I'm not sure if I really like that. But I do like, you know, the tail. I don't know. I like this and the sentiment. So anyway, I just grabbed it just in case there wasn't too many left. So I figured, you know, let me go ahead and grab it, because I really wanted to get some dies, but this was really the only one that I found that I liked. A lot of, you know, Michael's, it looked like had some clearance dice too, but they were gone. I mean, people must have just grabbed them, you know. On my way to the register, I saw these, and I thought I would just grab them. It's a clamshell container, heart-shaped, and this was $2.99, and they were... Yeah, I guess I paid regular price for this one, did I? Huh. No, I think these were on sale. I don't think I would have gotten it for $2.99. Anyway, I thought it was really cute. I'm sure I got it on sale, so I went ahead and just got it because I thought it'd be fun to put some treats in there, and you get two sets. And as you can see there, you can put, you know, baked goods or whatever you want, and it's quite deep, about 2 inches, I would say. So not bad, right? Or is it 3.3 inch? I think it's actually 3.3 inch deep. Oh yeah, because the top also adds to the height of it. So yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, I grabbed that. I grabbed some gold and silver foiled. I'm always needing these because I use them up pretty quickly. So whenever they have these on sale for $1 or $1.50, I grab them. So of course, these are the Recollections specialty papers. This one's acetate. I think I got a different one that I had already used with letters on them. And as you can see, this is gold on one side and then rose on the other side. So I thought that's really cute. So yeah, these were on sale, so I had to grab them. And then this was a few weeks ago as well. When the Hot Buys were on sale, and I got the Magicals paper. I'm sure Stay Magical. I thought this would be fun to use for traveler's notebooks, and it's just really cute. I love that one. The mermaids are really pretty in this one, and the unicorns too. So I thought that was really, really pretty and fun. A fun paper for summertime. So, and then these, I thought these were such a great deal. And I don't know where my receipt is. These were 99 cents, I think, each. And then the coupon also applied to it. So I wasn't sure if these were already on sale, but they rang up even less. So I only grabbed 3 because I didn't really know what the price was exactly, but look how pretty. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, not that one. I'm trying to see if I can, here. Dream, sweet, nice wish. And he has some hearts. They are super cute. They're bling stickers. This one is Laugh, Joy, Lovely, Kiss. I mean, they're just really, really cute. Super pretty. Hope, love, smile, and happy. And I just like that, you know, they're not too big. They're a good size. Happy might be a little bit long, but, you know, for a tag maybe. But definitely, you know, the other words are not so bad. Lovely might be a little long, but I don't know. I just liked them. And for that price, oh my gosh, if I had known, I would have gotten more. They also came in not the rhinestone ones, but there was also pearls. And I was going to grab that one too, but I didn't. I was trying to be good, and I didn't know they were on sale, but I would have grabbed them had I known. So anyway, that is all for my Michaels haul. I think I have just another haul for you guys, and then hopefully that's it. I'm done. I really just have to stay away from Michaels and Hobby Lobby. Seems like I've been going there every week, so I can't help it. You know, this week I had to go back for my daughter. She needed some craft supplies. And anyway, yeah, I don't know. I just keep getting pulled back somehow. But I hope you guys are having a great week, and stay tuned for another haul video sometime soon, maybe tomorrow or Thursday. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.